Okay, hi guys. So today we are trying to fix the old broken ski boots with broken heel plastics. And basically what we're trying to do is trying to make a template, and then using a vinyl plank, we're trying to cut a shape that will replace the broken plastic. And we are trying to achieve something like this, which will allow you to reuse those boots. Okay, so basic tools that you're gonna need for this project: cardboard, any type of cardboard to create a template, pencil, screwdriver to remove all the screws, scissors, pen, drill, two drill bits, small drill bit to create a pilot hole, and then a bit bigger one to sort of countersink the screws. And let's start. So first thing I'm going to do is remove the old screws. Okay. Obviously different boots will have different screws and so on, but mostly there's 5 screws holding the plastic. So what you do is you place that boot on a piece of cardboard, use your pencil, you run a line. I'm not going to do it again, but basically you run a line, you create a template. What happens is you cut the template using your scissors. Okay, I'm pretty sure everyone knows how to do that, but just in case. Okay, here you go. And what you do is you place it on the boot. You get your basic shape. Okay, what happens here is cut it this way and cut it this way. The closer you get to the proper shape, the better it is. Okay, so in my case I have one that I already created for one of them, basically like this. Now what you're going to do is either use your pen or a drill bit to place the holes, mark the holes, and then drill them, right? Now what you're going to do is you're going to take this piece, you're going to use an 8mm vinyl plank, which is fairly flexible, but it's still pretty stiff. You will place your template, let me use that one, place your template on the vinyl plank. Obviously, drill the shape, right? And then what you're gonna do is using either a handsaw, or obviously you could use a jigsaw, you will cut the shape. After cutting the shape, you're gonna end up with a plastic replacement like this, made out of vinyl. After placing all the screws, you can see it's fairly good fit, and it increases this plastic from what it is right now to almost like 30mm. And let's try this shoe in the ski. See? Okay. There you go. Boom. Okay, so as you can see here, it fits perfectly, it grabs it properly, and it pushes this plastic piece, which will in fact hold the boot down. So hopefully that gives you an idea. Maybe you can use this in your own boots, and happy skiing.